Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mayo Clinic, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into the Mayo Clinic website, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Mayo Clinic homepage. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the homepage loads, locate the Sign In option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Be sure to check for any typing errors in both fields. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts provided to reset your password. After entering your login credentials, look for a Sign In or Login button at the bottom of the page. Click on that button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. In case of repeated login failures, consider contacting Mayo Clinic's support for assistance. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account features. You are now ready to access the various services offered by the Mayo Clinic online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.